Selanjutnya saya akan mempresentasikan bab 8 dengan materi Type of Utility Program and Operating System. Objective overview: define system software and identify the two types of system software. Describe the function of an operating system. Summarize the startup process on a personal computer. Summarize the features of several standalone operating systems. Briefly describe various server operating systems. Summarize the features of several embedded operating systems. Explain the purpose of several utility programs. System software consists of the program that control or maintain the operation of the computer and its device. Operating system, utility program. An operating system, or OS, is a set program containing instructions that work together to coordinate all the activities among computer hardware resources. Start and such a computer, provide a user interface, manage program, manage memory, coordinate tasks, configure device, and stable and internet connection, monitor performance, provide utilities, automatically update, control a network, administer security. Jadi OS itu adalah perangkat lunak untuk mengoperasikan sistem komputer. Seperti ini. Operating system, operasinya. The process of starting or restarting a computer is called booting. Cold boot, turning on a computer that has been powered off completely. Warm boot, using the operating system to restart a computer. How a PC boot? Bagaimana PC itu bekerja? Step 1, the power supply needs a signal to the component in the system unit. Power supply mendapatkan power dari listrik. Step 2, the processor find the ROM that contain the BIOS. Di sini letaknya. Step 3, the BIOS mengirim data ke layar monitor melalui kabel. Step 4, the result, the post are compared with data CMOS chip. Step 5, the BIOS may box for the system file on a USB flash. Step 6, the file and the kernel of operating system load in memory RAM. Step 7, the operating system load configuration information. A boot drive is the drive from which your computer starts. You can boot from a boot disk. A recovery disk contains a few system files that will start the computer. An operating system includes various shutdown options. Sleep mode save and open document and program to RAM. Turn off all you needed function and place the computer in a low power stage. Hibernate, save any open document and program to a hard disk before removing power from the computer. User komputer mengontrol gimana kamu masukkan data dan instruksi untuk mengeluarkan informasi. With a command line interface, a user use the keyboard to enter data instruction. masuk ke command promptnya, terus diproses. How an operating system handle program directly affect your productivity? Single user and multi-user, single tasking and multitasking, foreground and background, preemptive multitasking, multiprocessing. Beginilah caranya. Memory management optimize the use of RAM. Virtual memory is a portion of a storage medium functioning and additional RAM. Ini adalah RAM dan ini disknya. The operating system determines the order in which tasks are processed. A driver is a small program that tells the operating system how to communicate with a specific device. Plug and play automatically configures new devices as you install them. Operating system typically provide a means to establish internet connection. A performance monitor is a program that assesses and report information about various computer resources and devices. Operating system often provide user with the capability of managing file, searching for file, viewing image, securing a computer, uninstalling program, cleaning up disk, defragmenting disk, diagnosing problem, backing up file and disk, setting up screen saves. Automatic update automatically provide update to the program. Jadi program itu dia bisa mengupdate. Kalau misalnya udah waktunya dia minta diupdate, dia muncul seperti ini. Kita tinggal klik tombol di sini. Klik. Some operating system are designed to work with a server on a network. Each user has a user account, a username, user ID, or a password. Bisa ditaruh di sini. Category of operating system: standalone, server, embedded. Standalone operating system: Windows 7, Unix, Mac OS X, Linux. Is a complete operating system that works on a desktop computer, notebook computer, or mobile computing device. Windows 7 is Microsoft's fastest, most efficient operating system to date and is available in multiple editing: Windows 7 Starter, Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 7 Professional. Windows 7 provides programs such as Windows Firewall, Windows DVD Maker, Windows Media Player, Desktop Gadget Gallery. Like this. Additional window feature: the Macintosh operating system has set the standard from operating system case of use latest version Mac OS X. Seperti ini tampilannya, berbeda dengan Windows 7. Unix is a multitasking operating system developed in the early 1970. Unix itu sistem yang keluar tahun 1970-an. Linux open source popular multitasking Unix type operating system. Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2008, Unix, Linux, Solaris, NetWare. Windows Server 2008 is an upgrade to Windows Server 2003, part of the Windows Server 2008 family. Multiple editions. Most editions include Hyper-V, a virtualization technology, an embedded operating system resides on a ROM chip on a mobile device or customer electronic device. Windows Embedded CE, Windows Phone 7, Palm OS, iPhone OS, BlackBerry, Android, Google Android, Embedded Linux, Symbian OS. Seperti ini contohnya. Ini adalah contoh dari OS yang berada pada handphone dan alat elektronik lain yang sudah canggih. Utility program is a type of system software that allows a user to perform maintenance type tasks. A file manager is a utility that performs functions related to file management, displaying a list of files, organizing files in folders, copying, renaming, delete, moving, and creating shortcuts. Seperti ini. A search utility is a program that attempts to locate a file on your computer based on criteria you specify. An image viewer allows users to display copy, and uninstaller removes a program. A disk cleanup utility search for removes. Download the program file, temporary internet file, delete file, Usenet program file. A disk defragmenter reorganizes the file and unused space on a computer hard disk so that the operating system accesses data more quickly and programs run faster. A backup utility allows users to copy files to another storage medium. A restore utility reverses the process and returns backup files to their original form. A screensaver causes a display device screen to show a moving image or blank screen if no activity occurs for a specified time. A person firewall detects and protects a personal computer from unauthorized intrusion. A virus describes a potentially damaging computer program that affects a computer negative. Virus itu sangat berbahaya bagi komputer dan menyebabkan dampak negatif untuk suatu OS komputer. Ini contoh video antivirus. Spyware is a program placed on a computer without the user knowledge that secretly collects information about the user. Adware display an online advertisement in a banner of pop-up window. Filters are programs that remove or block certain items from being displayed. Web filtering software, anti-spam program, phishing filter, pop-up blocker. A file compression utility shrinks the size of a file. Compressed files sometimes are called zip file. A media player allows you to view images and animation, listen to audio that watch video file on your computer. Media player itu untuk mendukung kita untuk menonton film, melihat gambar, dan menonton video. Disk burning software with write text, graphic, audio, and video file on a recordable or rewritable optical disk. Seperti ini. Nero ini fungsinya untuk program untuk memburning data dari komputer ke VCD. A personal computer maintenance utility identifies and fixes operating system problem. Definition of an operating system: function common to most operating systems, several utility program. Demikianlah presentasi saya untuk bab 8 komplit. Untuk lebih dan kurangnya saya mohon maaf dan terima kasih.